Yo, what's up, YouTube? Damn. So we're pulling up to a car meet right now. This is our first car meet in 2025. Wait. Yeah. Fucking waiting at this light. It was like a 40-minute drive. Almost an hour. We in, what is this? Colima Road? Or city? I don't know. Or Fulham? I don't know, bro. Yeah, we just pulling up. Kinda late, but yeah, this shit started like at 9. We're only 25 minutes late though. We're still late though. There's gonna be hella people. Can we turn from here? Oh shit, I guess we'll just turn from here. There's a truck coming. Damn, what the fuck? Did we pass it? Is it right here? Yeah, I can't see shit. Wait, was it here?
What?
The meat?
It's more that way. We gotta go turn now.
Cybertruck. Big ass Cybertruck. That's crispy. Why you full park all over there?
I think it's right here.
Damn, what the fuck?
Like Asian stuff here.
Oh yeah. Fried chicken. Yeah, we got a Hemi.
It's just small, man. I like it.
It is small. Oh, they do got like. Why are they just staring? Bro, there's a lot of BMWs here. SS? Damn. Bro, you can't be parking like that though. You need to park that shit in backwards. Subaru. The car behind me. Damn, where are we parking, bro? That's a cute. Damn, that's forged, bro. That's forged carbon. I heard that's way better. Put this shit in reverse, Terry.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Oh, hurry up, dude.
Back it up.
Man, it's just like a whole. We made it to the fucking meet. Well, my truck is gonna be sticking so much. I'll be right there. Damn, bro, I'm sticking out so much. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, we're good. What is it? What does it do that? I hate when it does that shit.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
Alright, we here. Man, my stomach hurts so much, bro. Shit, I think I'm gonna buy a water. Yeah, I don't even got more to do.
I kind of want a water, too.
Cut this shit down. Hey, copyright. I'm not trying to get copyrighted.
On the water though.
They want like $2.
Nigga, they want $5.
Dude, she reminds me of fucking Vegas. I asked for a Gatorade, dude.
Disneyland.
We were talking about like a $4.25 for a Gatorade.
I'd rather at that point I'd rather fucking
Buy a pack.
no, I'd rather
Thank you.
I'd rather fuck, what is it called?
What is it called?
What is that? I was gonna say starve, nigga, but that's food.
Die of thirst.
Yeah, man, I guess.
Alright, we'll catch you guys when we like in the middle of the meet. Cause we're just getting out. We're just gonna be getting out right here and then there's nothing. The main meet is like kind of where the entrance is at. Right here we just got like this Integrity. There's a charger there. And that's it. Who? Where?
The charger. They just got in. In it.
Alright, we'll catch you guys back when we're in the middle of the meet. Alright, we back. Got a Sura. Dang, that shit clean.
We did one of those one time, but like,
damn.
I was in my truck. They take off, like the first set of 4 would take off, and then I'd see like the next set of 4, the next set of 4. And by the time I looked back, there was no more cars. And I was
That shit hard. This road is hard too. Someone got dabbed up really nice. He only has 10 though. It doesn't have 10. I forgot to show them the light. There's still more people pulling in. Got a Ram with the rails on. Oh, this shit. I mean, wait, is that Wills? No, that's. I think that's a Ford Giallo.
That's why I need
Got a Lightning. Clean as Lightning. Super clean. Then you got a bagged Lightning. This shit. Oh my gosh. Dude, Allen's missing out. I don't know if this is a Hellcat. That's a Hellcat for sure. No, it's a Scat. Another one? God damn, 4-inch tips? Okay. Bro, this is Q50, guys. This is Q50. That shit is hard. Pants is like touching the ground and shit. GR. It's a 6. Little F-Sport. Camaro. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, that's the left. Got a 370. That shit hard. This shit hard. This shit is, I think it's called honeycomb carbon. That shit's hard. This guy got his whole fine carbon. Or honeycomb carbon. It's a lot more.
I mean, I get it for like content.
Cars parked so far. BMW. Is that wrapped? That's wrapped. Thought that shit was real. That shit got me, bud. Gotta go find that. Oh, the homeless truck is here too. I should have parked somewhere here. For a C8. Mercedes. Oh, he cut his bumper off? This guy go.
Is that what you guys are, man?
Alright, we finished the car meet. Everything was going great until some people started shooting some fireworks. No cops came, no cops showed up. That's a good thing. But they started out shooting off fireworks, so people started leaving. And then I guess people started leaving. Then people started like revving their cars. Then people started doing burnouts. No donuts. Everybody just. It was mostly oh, sorry. What the fuck? It was mostly burnouts and revving. And then there was these two cars like just chasing each other. I don't know for what reason. I believe they were just friends. It was an SRT8 Challenger and a Honda Civic SI or something. Because I know it was not a Type R. But yeah, there was really nothing much to record. There was a lot of cars, but they're not like crazy builds or whatnot. It's more like just like a couple cars just lowered. Except for those F-150s Whippled, that's crazy. Those two F-150s, that shit is crazy. And then that was probably like the most craziest thing we've seen there. And then that Q50 carbon fibered. But yeah, those two F-150s. Or I want to say the crazy shit we've seen was the two F-150s Whippled and that Q50 with that honeycomb carbon fiber. Yeah, that was probably the crazy shit. And then those cats with welds, but that's the shit you see on a daily sometimes. But yeah, we're here at the end of the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. All these people is watching my videos but don't subscribe. We need to reach to 100 followers, 100 subscribers. We need to reach to 100 subscribers. Our goal is to make it to 1,000 or even more by this year. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.